All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we will be filming a... Oh, my bad.
Look at the camera.
Yes, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be doing another shoot, POV, and filming an M3 competition. It's a G80 this time. And we're going to be... honestly, I really don't know what the plan is, but we're going to just document and film everything. Hopefully, this is going to be a fun video. I'm just trying to get better at doing rollers with the little gimbal, you know, just hanging out with the car. So we're just gonna have a GoPro strapped on. I also brought some audio equipment from the last video, if you guys remember that. We're gonna be strapping on around the exhaust area, capturing some exhaust sounds. Let's go have some fun. You're not gonna be there, why? Got the M3 strapped up. Got the microphone here on the back. I would have liked it a little bit lower, but this bumper here is a little too small, this panel, to get the whole cup around it. But this front microphone is crazy. I legit just shoved it inside right here, right by the intake. But yeah, hopefully this thing sounds crazy and we get the lovely audio we want. Man, this R8. Dude, I can't stop looking at your R8. Your R8 looks crazy.
It looks good, but it's dirty.
Do you have intakes, like noise when you just stand still and rev it?
Not much. Hold on, you'll hear it if I do this. Are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening. You want to hear that?
Yeah.
It's crazy, isn't it?
That's sick.
Yeah. All right. Wow, that sounds crazy. Holy cow, that's fast.
Not fast, I'll just do it. Down the road, shall This isn't even like a good tune. This is JB4.
It's like an off-the-shelf tune?
It's worse because ECU is locked.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so the ECU is locked, so I can't. Only way to unlock it is to ship it to Finland.
But the F80s and the F82s aren't locked, right?
Yeah, they're unlocked. It's all like 2020 and up models.
Oh, wow, that sucks.
But it's like as fast as a Plaid when it's fully unlocked. It's like a custom tune and some E85.
All right, we got the M5 hooked up.
It'll sound better next week. I got downpipes coming.
Or just one track.
Gonna be on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe to DJ's Garage. How much subscribers you got right now?
100.
Heck
like
yeah.
13 or something like that.
No, the first 100.
Can you do a
like
quick sound
1,000.
check?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Sounds all right.
Yeah, you want to hear it? So this is a V8 twin turbo?
Yeah.
Nice.
4.4
I'm getting a lot of wind noise.
Still? Is it
I
bad
think
yet?
the microphone is in a bad spot. We might need to pull over and onion her. Okay. Yeah, I think we're good. Alright, we're good.
Sounds better.
Alright. Over like 90 miles an hour, there's a lot of wind noise. So let's try to keep the acceleration no more than 90 miles an hour. But up to that, it sounded really good. It sounded really nice you getting on the freeway.
Yeah.
Because we were like slower
If only it
speeds.
popped like over 40, but like that's when it finally starts popping. Mine's definitely gonna swing it.
Is that Troy's horn?
Yeah.
What the heck? That does not sound like it comes from an R8.
That wasn't good. We saved it though.
Yeah.
I haven't swung this car yet, but it's just like with how big it is compared to the F80s.
Oh yeah.
I kind of gotta learn.
Is it heavier also?
Yeah, it's way heavier. Feels like a boat compared to F80, but
We're just doing a little quick walk around test, just to get with the gimbal. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, nobody wants to look out.